Do you feel like your child does not listen to you? Do you constantly repeat yourself? Stay tuned because you may find a solution to these frustrating problems in this video. Hi, I'm Julia Ferrari. I'm an expert on learning disabilities at the LD Institute, and I'm passionate about ensuring that children with LDs reach their full potential. Today, I'm going to talk to you about a strategy that can help you compensate for or even reduce certain problems related to inattention. Although this strategy can be useful for all children, it's especially helpful for those with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, also known as ADHD. You can improve your child's listening by using this strategy to formulate clear instructions. But how do we do this? By changing the way you give instructions, your child will be able to follow them better. We know that instructions are more effective if they follow certain rules, and I'm going to outline 8 rules for giving clear instructions. 1. Make sure your child is paying attention. It's a good idea to be close to them and to make eye contact when you're giving instructions. This means that you shouldn't be standing across the room. This way, you can be sure that they are ready to listen. 2. Eliminate distractions. Eliminate any distractions before giving instructions. If your child is busy completing a task, playing a game, or having fun watching TV, chances are that they will not respond to what you're asking them to do. If, for example, your child is playing a video game, ask them to pause the game before giving them any instructions. 3. Find the right time. Find the right time to give instructions, but when is the right time? It is best to give instructions right before you would like your child to do something. In other words, not too far in advance, because that increases the chances that they will forget what was asked. 4. Give clear instructions. Give instructions that are clear, precise, and brief. Instructions should not be longer than 10 words. They should direct the child to do something specific. For example, put your books on the shelf, rather than something general, such as clean up your room. Effective instructions let the child know exactly what they are supposed to do and what behavior the adult is expecting. So you should avoid negations, for example, don't do that, or stop bothering your brother, because they emphasize negative behaviors rather than the positive behaviors you'd like to see. 5. Be positive and use a neutral tone. It's important to be positive and to use a neutral tone of voice. For example, put your books away, or I'm asking you to put your books away. Avoid formulating instructions as a question. Why is that important? Because otherwise, your child may respond to the question rather than doing what is being asked. For example, if you say, "Can you go clean up your room?" Even if they say yes, they may not actually do it. 6. Give instructions only once. It's best to give instructions only once. So if the instructions are complex and require multiple steps, divide them into 2 or 3 instructions that you give one at a time. 7. Give a clear time frame. It's important to give a clear time frame for when instructions need to be executed. For example, you need to turn off your tablet in 5 minutes, or you can specify how long they have to complete a task. For example, you have 5 minutes to tidy up your workspace. 8. Follow up. When we give a child instructions, it's very important to ensure that they follow through. Once they have completed the task or demonstrated the behavior you requested, it's important to provide them with positive feedback by thanking them or by congratulating them. By following these 8 rules for formulating clear instructions, your child is more likely to listen to you and to do what is asked.